Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. As we celebrate the Holy Week, it is also our joy to welcome our dear pilgrims who came all over from your communities to visit and pray here in our Mother Church. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. Today's readings would like to pose this reflection about intimacy. How one person and another person goes side by side and are close to one another. We continue to hear from the book of the prophet Isaiah, an expression once more of God's intimacy to Israel, to Isaiah himself, and to whom Isaiah is prophesying or was prophesying then about this Son of Man. That indeed God has created him and given him a name, a sharp-edged sword, concealed in the shadow of his arm, made a polished arrow, hid in his quiver, and indeed named him as his servant. Isang pagpapahayag ng pagkamalapit ng Diyos sa kanyang minamahal na lingkod. And likewise, we see such action in the experience of Jesus in the upper room. From this day on, we will be hearing the events of the upper room leading us to the Last Supper. John the Beloved, or the beloved disciple, leaning over the chest of Jesus. And with that action of intimacy, a question also roused within them who will betray the Lord. Indeed, another expression of intimacy was there. The mere fact of Jesus and his apostles sharing the table with one another is but an expression of intimacy. And whenever someone is close, whenever someone is indeed nearby, it is but an experience of growth. It is an experience of renewing and even rebuilding your relationship. It is an experience where we get to be consoled and to be enlightened once more about our journey in this life. And let us see this week, this Holy Week experience of ours, my dear sisters and brothers, as our own way of being intimate with Jesus, of staying close to the chest and over the heart of Jesus. John, the beloved disciple, made it a beautiful way to express his love. But suddenly, or in a sudden way, Peter and Judas was not able to really experience the consolation of being that close to their master. The other will betray him, the other will deny him. Sa madami pong pagkakataon sa linggong ito, magiging malapit tayo kay Jesus at lalapit tayo kay Jesus sa mga araw na ito. In our desire to confess our sins, we go and be intimate with Jesus. When we go and visit the churches for your Visita Iglesias, then we go and be near and intimate with Jesus. In these days and celebrations of the Paschal Triduum, we will be coming near the Lord. Magtatanod tayo sa harapan ng sakramento. Makikinig tayo sa salita ng Diyos. Ipagdiriwang natin na ang mga liturhiya, our being near the Lord. And do not let this week pass without making use of that intimacy, part of our growth and holiness. Dahil gusto nating lumapit kay Jesus at mapalapit kay Jesus, harinawa po, lumago tayo, maging banal tayo, maging totoo tayo sa ating buhay. Lumapit po kay Jesus at mapalapit tayo kay Jesus. Let this be our Holy Week journey and our Holy Week spirit. Let us make the most out of our intimacy so that our hearts may never be distant anymore to the Lord. Let us make use of our intimacy so that we can always bring with us the goodness and the face of Jesus.